Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I wanted to show you a great way to play and explore to discover ways that you can move by putting yourself at a disadvantage. So learning all the different ways that we can move, it just gives us options, and the more options we have when it comes to our ability to move, well, the better off we are. So options actually help keep you healthy, and they actually help you overcome other limitations that you may encounter as you navigate through life. All that to say is sometimes if we restrict how we can move on purpose to see how we can move, we discover good things and we actually enhance our ability to move better and more because we're actually turning things on and gaining access to things that we don't normally use. Maybe better joint range of motion, maybe activating muscles that don't normally get activated, that use it or lose it, but then find it and build it. So all that to say is, I'll just shut up and I'll just show you. I like to, play around. So one thing we can do is like, say I want to get over there, but I have to do it from like here, from this position. So, and I can't roll over. So I'm not going to let myself roll over. So I got to scooch and learn how to leverage. And there's no right way or wrong way to do this other than have fun and play and give yourself limits, right? So my limit is I'm not going to use my hands and I want to get over there. And I'm not going to roll over, even though rolling is so good and amazing. I'm trying to sideways inchworm and figure out all the ways. And as you can see, I've already done it several different patterns and ways. Now I'm going to go back this way just so, because I don't know where the camera is. And look, microphone. So all we're doing is building, trying to find options. Now, something else I'm doing here is I'm really strengthening all the muscles on my posterior side or my back side, because I'm digging my head into the floor. I'm turning things on. I'm pushing my feet to the floor so I can move my hips. And I'm scooching. So, I know it's super simple, but again, simple things have huge returns. That is one thing you can do. Another thing you can do is pretend like you're a prisoner and you got stuffed in a trunk and you're, I don't know why you would do that. But you can tie your wrist up and your feet up and you can go that way, like facing this way. So now I'm on a very friction surface. So this, is very exfoliating on this turf, but you get the point. You can place limits on yourself just to see how you can move and discover options. And I guarantee you in doing so, you're gonna find muscles you did not know you had, and you're going to gain ability. You're gonna gain options. You also gain experience, which goes a long ways too. Anyway, the whole point to this is give yourself limits to discover your options, because then you're just better off. All right, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.